Hello buddies, in my video today I will show you all how to make these crunchy, flaky, delicious cornmeal cookies. It's simple and easy to make. This absolutely melts in your mouth, and when you taste it you're going to love it because it tastes so good. You can use it for your breakfast, for your lunch, and honestly you're going to love this when you try it. So relax and enjoy this video. Let me show you how to make simple, amazing cornmeal cookies. So to make these cookies, I started by measuring everything together. So in my bowl here I have 125 grams of cornmeal, then I have 10 grams of milk powder, I have a pinch of egg yellow, 45 grams of margarine, you can also use butter, about 1/4 teaspoon of meat spice, I have my baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, then I have 20 grams of sugar. Okay, I added a pinch of egg yolk, like I said, to to give it that yellow color because I used the white cornmeal. Okay, then next I have to make sure my hand is clean, and I use it to combine everything just the way you make short crust. Okay, combine everything together, make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. So after combining everything just this way, I made a little well at the center. To that I added my combo flavor. Guys, I always tell you about this my combo flavor. It gives my recipes absolute amazing taste. Then I went in with half teaspoon of salt. Okay, after adding the salt and the combo flavor, I went in with my water. I use about 35 grams of water for this recipe. Okay, just added my water little at a time, and then combine everything together. And once I was done combining everything, it gave me a soft dough that is non-sticky. Okay, it's going to give you a soft dough that is non-sticky, just as you see in the video. So make sure that your dough is not sticky and it's kind of clean almost everything in your bowl. Now I transfer this dough on a parchment or a baking paper or a non-stick paper. Now if you have extra non-stick, just place it on top of the dough before rolling it out so that it will be easier for you without stress. But because I don't have extra baking paper or parchment paper or non-stick paper, I just used one and I rolled it out just this way. I was careful, making sure it doesn't give me too much stress. But if you have double, just place one on the top and it will be easier for you. So you're going to roll this out a little bit flat, but not too flat. Okay, just as you see in the video, roll it flat, the thickness you see in the video. Then you cut it according to the design of your choice. If you also like, you can use a round cutter, anyone you want. Okay, now after cutting it, use your fork to poke some holes on the cookies, and make sure that as you are doing this, your oven is preheating already. Okay, so once you are done poking these holes on the cookies, you're going to add this into the oven. So I baked this in my preheated oven at 200 degrees C for 35 minutes. Okay, or until the cookies turn a little bit light golden brown. You know that your cookies are ready. Okay, once you bring them out of the oven, don't touch them immediately, just give them a little bit time, like few seconds. Then you transfer them on the cooling rack to cool down completely, and then you have these amazing cookies. These cookies are super delicious, guys. Honestly, when you try these cookies, you're going to love them. So once your cookies are completely cooled, make sure you pack them in airtight container, and you can store it in your fridge or just keep it on your counter whenever you want to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.